this is PowerDirector version 16. Let's see how to produce or how to render only a portion of the clips which are on the timeline. So first of all, let's see, I'm clicking on that clip. I'm pressing enter because I want to end the clip there. Okay, and I want to define the first part also. So to do that, grab the left side of that playhead and move it. So that's the beginning and that's the end. So let's move this one till the front because I want to produce the video from there. So I will export or render or produce only this part of the clips which are on the timeline. Okay, and produce range, here's the magic button. Click on that one, select the codec that you want to use, edit the preferences, select the resolution, frame rate, bitrate, and so on, the path where to export the video, and start. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.